Happy morning, students. I hope this session makes you interesting. What I need from you is interest and cooperation. Today, we see letter writing. Letter writing. Before that, we should develop our writing skills. Writing skills are an important part of communication. Writing skills allow you to communicate your message with clarity through face-to-face or telephone conversation. How wonderful it is to be able to write someone a letter, to feel like conveying your thoughts to a person, to sit at your desk and pick up a pen to put your thoughts into world like this is truly marvelous. To impress everyone, you should write the letter writing in a proper way. Let's know few things. Letter writing is of two types. One is formal and another one is informal. Two types of letter writing we have. Let's see. Formal letter. What is a formal letter? It is usually written for official reasons. A formal letter, also known as a business letter. It is written in a formal language with a special structure and layout. Writing resume, that is job application for office. Writing letter to principal, teacher, etc. also example for official letter. That is called formal letter. Now here comes informal letter. What is informal letter? A letter is said to be informal when it is written in a friendly manner to someone you are familiar with. It is used for casual or personal communication. Let's see the difference between formal and informal letters. How to be used. How to be written. Under formal letters, we have professional communication. The communication should be professional. Here, informal, it is personal. In the formal, it is a prescribed format only. Here, no prescribed format. For what purpose we use formal letter? Business, college, school, organization, etc. are using formal letter. Friends, family, etc. they use informal letter. In formal letter, we should use only in the passive form. In the informal letter, we should use the format in the active form. For example, the work is done by someone. It is passive form. I did this work. It is informal form. Here, in the formal letter, the way what you write should be long and complex. Here, short and simple we can use. Let's see the format now. Formal, informal. First, what is the most important thing to be written is in the formal letter is sender's address. Details should be displayed on the top of the page. Should include all the detailed information, that is sender's address. Details should be displayed on the top of the page. Followed by the sender's address, the date should be mentioned. Next, receiver's address. Here you should mention the address of the receiver, that is to address. Next, subject of the format letter. Followed by the receiver's details, you should include the subject line. Basically, this subject line takes about the purpose of the letter. Next, salutation. You should greet the person to whom you are writing the letter. In formal letter, the greeting should not be too personal. For example, salutation, here we have to use respecter, sir, likewise. Body of the letter, exactly the purpose of the matter what you are going to write. Next, complimentary closing. Here, the conclusion of the letter that we have to conclude with yours sincerely, faithfully, etc. in the formal letter. Next, sender's name, signs, designation. What is designation? If you are writing some official letter, we have to write your post. So, designation here to be used in the formal letter. Now, informal letter, we know very well address. That is from address. Next, date. Salutation, here we can use dear, hi. Likewise, we can use it. Then, body of the letter, very short and sweet, we can use it. Next, sender's name and signature. Practice makes a man perfect. More you write, more you learn. So do practice. Handwritten letters make you feel special. It's time for leaving. I have given you a format. So develop your writing skills and your handwriting. Thank you, students. Take care. Be safe. See you later.